Hey there everyone! Welcome back to CNC Carve Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D model carving with a CNC machine. We've got some exciting new bits from Bit Mall to try out, and we're going to review them as we carve a beautiful 3D model out of cherry wood. Let's get started. First up, we have the 1/4 inch diameter, 2 Flute downcut spiral end mill with a 1/4 inch shank. This bit is perfect for creating roughing toolpaths. And for our finishing toolpath, we'll be using the 1/8 inch 3D Carving ZrN Coated bit with a 1/4 inch shank. Both of these bits are from Bit Mall, and you can find the links in the description below along with a promo code for a discount. We're using a piece of cherry wood for our model. It's crucial to measure the width, height, and, most importantly, the thickness of the material to achieve the best results. Accurate measurements make all the difference. Once we've got our measurements, we securely fasten the cherry wood onto the CNC machine. It's time to create the toolpaths using Carve Pro. This software is excellent for designing precise toolpaths. Let's start with the roughing process using our 1/4 inch downcut spiral end mill. This bit will remove the bulk of the material, setting up a clean slate for our finishing toolpath. Next, we switch to the 1/8 inch 3D Carving ZrN Coated bit for the finishing toolpath. This bit provides the fine detail work that brings our 3D model to life. After we finish the detailed carving, we'll use the 1/4 inch end mill again to cut out the model using a profile cut. This step separates our finished model from the rest of the material. Finally, we sand the model to smooth out any rough edges. And apply a beautiful finish with oil. And there you have it, a stunning 3D carved model. I hope you enjoyed this journey into 3D carving with a CNC machine. Don't forget to check out the links for these router bitmall bits in the description and use the promo code for a discount. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you next time.